Death and taxes are the only guarantees in life. At least death only happens to you once. Brace yourself. The pain is coming. I can taste it.
Cut! Why is there rain?
Dials it up, right?
No, Adrien, we need you to dial things down.
I'm just trying to tap into the pain of taxes.
No, you're not some regular tax guy. You are a TurboTax expert, like Janet.
We take the pain out of taxes, remember?
Let's go again. Just smile and be happy.
I don't do happy.
If there's no drama, there's no Adrien Brody.
I can pay for that.
I could deduct that.
Cue the rain.
TurboTax has aired its Super Bowl Commercial 2026, featuring Adrien Brody. TurboTax is one of the advertiser of Super Bowl 2026. Adrien Brody featured in this big game ad. While shooting an intense black and white scene in a torrential downpour, Adrien Brody launches into a dramatic monologue about death and taxes, finding at least the positive side in knowing that death only happens once. When the director questions the rain and asks him to tone it down, the somber performance is interrupted, reminding Adrien that he's playing a TurboTax expert who makes paying taxes effortless.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, hit the like button, turn on notifications, so you will be notified whenever we uploaded a new video.